Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki Jai. Dear friends, I am now commencing chapter 54 of Sai Baba's Satcharitra. Baba never wants money and material from his devotees. He only wants faith and patience from his devotees. Baba also not interested in anybody fulfilling their vows with borrowed money. He likes even a small flower garland with his hard-earned money. Thus, small offering gives enough benefits to the devotees. Cholkar secured promotion in his job and therefore wants to go to Shirdi. He had no enough money. He also not interested to go with borrowed money. He is planning how to go to Shirdi. He decided to avoid sugar in his daily tea and wants to go to Shirdi with the savings. All his family members adopted the same thing. They found some savings. Cholkar brought some sugar candy for distribution to Sai devotees at Shirdi. He started to Shirdi with the sweet feeling in his mind that he is visiting Shirdi. He stayed in Jog's house at Shirdi and Jog and Cholkar started to the mosque. Cholkar carried with him sugar candy and a coconut as an offering to Baba. Cholkar found in Baba his mother, his father, and a great saint, a close relative, a good friend, his family deity, what not, his own house in Sai's eyes. Baba put his hand and took coconut offering from Cholkar. Cholkar distributed sugar candy to all the devotees in Baba's presence and fulfilled his vow. When the arati to Baba is completed, everybody started moving out. Baba, on seeing Jog, told to him, "Jog, give your guest tea with more sugar. It is your responsibility to honor your guest." Cholkar at once put tears in his eyes, knowing Baba's all-pervasiveness. He is also surprised as how Baba expressed the way he saved money to come to Shirdi. Cholkar fell on Baba's feet. Baba lifted Cholkar and told to him, "Listen, my son, I am all-pervasive, all-energetic, all-knowing. I am with you always. Do not think that you will have the darshan of Sai simply if you visit Shirdi. You have to see my form with the light of divinity in your thoughts. If that is lacking with you, you cannot see me even though you come to me taking all the troubles." Here Baba's advice to the devotees is that one should have real love of thoughts on Baba. If one lack of such thoughts, he only sees the physical form of Baba, but he cannot attain the real bliss of Baba's darshan. The corrupted mind is Maya. It is a thick black cloud, does not allow the light of my divine manifestation. Throw away that black clouds with the wind of proper knowledge. Behave wisely. Do not allow that Maya to cover your heart. Imbibe in the Atma worship always. Do not afraid. I am here to protect my devotees who look for me. Cholkar received the blessings of Sai Baba and left to his place. This is the end of chapter 54. Om Sai 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 Jai Jai Sai.